Hi, I chose U is for Unicorn to read today. It is good for ages probably preschool to kindergarten. I have two daughters that this book has went through. My oldest is 9, and we got this probably when she was started kindergarten. You can see how it's worn and torn, so we've used it a lot. They like it because the unicorn that's on the front. I like it because it goes from the alphabet, from A all the way to Z, and it gives an example of each letter. So I personally just really like it, and I just wanted to share it with you guys today. U is for unicorn. A is for apple that grows on a tree. B is for bees buzzing with glee. C is for car racing away. D is for duckling as golden as hay. E is for elephant with ears big and round. F is for flowers that grow in the ground. G is for gloves so snuggly and red. H is for hat to wear on your head. I is for igloo all icy and cold. J is for juice so sticky to hold. K is for kite, look at it soar. L is for lion who gives a big roar. M is for mermaid, swimming along. N is for nest with birds singing songs. O is for orange, so yummy to eat. P is for puppy, who loves a nice treat. Q is for queen, with manners and grace. R is for rocket that zooms into space. S is for sandcastle, built by the sea. T is for tiger that sat under a tree. U is for unicorn, kicking its heels. V is for van. W is for wheels. X is for xylophone. Yo-yo is Y. Z is for zebra, who's waving goodbye.